Hey y'all, I'm Mary and welcome to Restless Chipotle Kitchen. Today we are concentrating on comfort food. Delicious, tender chicken, stuffing, gravy, green beans, the works. And the best thing of all is that you make it in your slow cooker. So easy, throw it all in, 5-minute prep time, I promise. You are gonna love this recipe. So let's head over to the kitchen and see how it's done. I've seasoned the chicken with salt and pepper, and I'm going to lay that right in the bottom of my slow cooker. I'm going to add the onions and the chilies. Which the chilies are completely optional. They give a good flavor if you like Tex-Mex or Southwestern flavors, but you don't need to put them on if you don't want to. Now I'm going to add the stuffing mix to the top. And I'm going to stop right here, and I'm going to push this over a little bit because I'm going to separate my green beans from the rest of the recipe. I don't like my green beans mixed in, so I'm going to just put a piece of aluminum foil here, just like that. Make a little bowl out of it. I'm going to put the fresh green beans right in there. Now they're going to steam along with everything else. Oops, I missed a stem. Looks like I missed a couple of stems, doesn't it? I'm gonna let the green beans steam right along with everything else in there. But they'll stay separate so they won't get all the stuffing stuff on them. Now, if you wanted to add the green beans right in with the rest of it, you would put the green beans, I would put them under the chicken. I've mixed up the cream of chicken soup, the chicken broth, and the sour cream, and I'm going to put that right over the top. Now, I only used half the chicken broth in this because I'm going to add the other half right now to the top of everything. And then the last thing, I'm going to pour on this chicken broth, just over the whole thing. Now I'm going to cover it, and that's going to cook on low for 8 hours. So we'll see you then. Okay, y'all, time's up, and it looks like we have a delicious dinner waiting for us. The chicken is super tender. You can look at that. It just shreds with the fork. And the stuffing is fluffy and done. Creamy and delicious. The green beans are done, and they're separate the way that I like them. So let's go over and talk about it, okay? Is this not the easiest dinner that you ever saw? Can you imagine what the house would smell like when you walked into it after this has been cooking in there all day? It smells great. And here's the thing, with this, I know that a lot of us are not going to be having big Thanksgiving dinners this year. We're not going to be having big get-togethers. And you know what? This is a great way to do turkey and stuffing for just a few people. You can use turkey breast instead of the chicken. Make it the exact same way, but use turkey broth or turkey stock instead of chicken stock, and it is going to be delicious without all of that extra work. So if you're planning a small gathering, then this is definitely your new best friend. So I am going to taste this, and you know what? I'm going to taste it right out of the pan because it smells just too delicious. Ooh, it's hot. Y'all, this is so good. It's got all of that comfort food Thanksgiving flavor. You are gonna love it. Please give it a try and let me know what you think, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later. Love y'all. Bye-bye. Hey y'all, welcome to Restless Chipotle Chicken. Hey y'all, welcome to Restless Chipotle Kitchen. Today we are concentrating on quick. No, we're not. Oh God, here.